13th Sarga. There is some repetition here and there between 12th and 13th. Also, the way Anvaya shlokas are split between a couple of bhashyams are slightly different. The way some of them take 1.5 shloka in certain cases, especially the 9th, 10th, 11th, in those shloka areas. I found there is an Acharya Pullalara Sri Ramachandrudu. He is a Telugu Pandit, but he is well recognized across the Bharat among all the Ramayana, the Shastra Pandits. So I took his text. He has done, there are 6 books that he has published for all the 6 Kandas also. There is not much of Bhashyam there. It is only Tika Pratipatartha Tatparya only. But at least, the Anvayas are very clear there. The shlokas, the way he has split for Anvayam is very consistent. And so for today and for a couple other sargas also, I will take that as the reference. Atha Trayodasha Sargaha Yajñashala Praveshaha. That's how the title of this adhyaya is. Punah Prapte Vasante Tu.
Punah Prapte Vasante Tu.
Purna Samvatsaro Bhavat.
Purna Samvatsaro Bhavat.
Prasavartham Tato Yashtum.
Prasavartham Tato Yashtum.
Hayamedhena Viryavan.
Hayamedhena Viryavan.
So it is starting with after the Sankalpa made, Vasanta Kala they waited, Punah Prapte Vasante Tu. Once the Vasanta Kala arrived, Purnaha Samvatsaro Bhavat, after complete 1 year, Prasavartham Tato Yashtum Hayamedhena Viryavan, for the sake of children, Prasava, for the delivery of children, Prasavartham Tataha, from there, Hayamedhena Yashtum, in order to do the yajna of Hayamedha, Viryavan Dasharatha, Abhivadya Vasishthancha,
Abhivadya Vasishtancha.
Nyayatah Pratipujya,
Nyayatah Pratipujya.
Abravit Prasritam Vakyam,
Abravi Prasritam Vakyam.
Prasavartham Dvijottamam.
Prasavartham Vijottamam.
So Abhivadya Vasishtham. So with that purpose of wanting to do Hayamedha Yajna for the sake of children, for obtaining children, he has Abhivadya, by doing Abhivadanam to Vasishta, Nyayataha, as to be said. For example, nowadays if we have to do Abhivadanam, a Vedic student or what to, he will say, Anvirasa Bharaspati Bharadvaja Trayarshi Pravaran, all of that. That is called Aham Bho Abhivadaye, we say it. So that is our Abhivadanam. Likewise, that is called Vidhi Purvavat, Nyayataha. So Nyayataha Abhivadya Pratipujya cha, by offering the worship services. Abravit Prasritam Vakyam. Prasritam, very most apt sentences. Shritam is located, Prasritam, properly located words, which means very in the right manner, correct words. So Abravit Prasritam Vakyam Prasavartham Dvijottamam, unto the Dvijottama Vasishtha, by doing Abhivadanam and Puja, Dasharatha, the Viryavan, Prasritam Vakyam Abravit, very apt, appropriate sentence he has said. And what is it? Yajño me kriyata madhya. Anyone jump quickly? We have to complete this chapter today. 33 shlokas.
Yajño me kriyatamatra.
Adya. Yajño me kriyatamадья.
Yajño me kriyatamадья.
यथोक्तं मुनिपुङ्गव
यथोक्तं मुनिपुङ्गव
यथा न विघ्नः क्रियते
यथा न विघ्नः क्रियते
यज्ञाङ्गेषु विधीयताम्
यज्ञाङ्गेषु विधीयताम्
मे यज्ञः अद्य क्रियताम्. So that is the first sentence he said. Please perform or initiate my yajna today. मे यज्ञः क्रियताम् अद्य यथा उक्तं मुनिपुङ्गव. ओ मुनिपुङ्गव वसिष्ठ, यथा उक्तं, as told by who? By the Shastras, by Vedas. As prescribed in Vedas, please initiate and start the yajna that have taken resolution for the prasavartham today. Yatha na vighnah kriyate, and we know this is a very long term yajna. So yatha vighnah na kriyate, so that there are no interruptions. Yatha na vighnah kriyate yajnangeshu, in the components or in the parts of the yajna, in various divisions and sections of the yajna, make sure that there are no vighna. We started with that vignan, right? So that there are no vighnas, make sure that the yajna is initiated and carried on. Bhavan snigdhas suhrimahyam. Bhavan snigdhah सुहृन्मह्यं गुरुश्च परमो महान् वोढव्यो भवता चैव भारो यज्ञस्य चोद्यतः Bhavan snigdha. We talked about snigdha, sneha, these terms, right? Snigdha is that stickiness, which means friend. You are my friend, essentially. Suhrut. Suhrut means well-wisher of the heart. Hrid is heart. Suhrud, somebody who is seeking a hearty person, which again means a friend only. So in English, we don't have so many words because whatever. But in Sanskritam, so many words are there. So suhrin, snehaha, snigdhaha, sakhaha, and many more such words, right? So suhrit mahyam. For me, you are always seeking my welfare. So suhrin mahyam. Guruscha paramaha mahan. You are a mahan guru, parama guru also for me. And so Vodhavyaha bhavata chaiva. Vodhavyaha means you have to bear. You have to bear the responsibility of making sure that this yajna runs without any interruptions as prescribed by Vedas. So Vodhavyaha bhavata, by you the responsibility has to be borne. Vodhavya bhavata chaiva. Bharaha, the heavy. Bhara is the weight, means the responsibilities. You have to take the weight of this yajna, he is asking. Because you are my parama, mahan guru, you are my suhrid, you are my snigdha, and so yajnasya chodyataha, which means cha udyataha. Udyataha, udyamena hi siddhanti karyani manorathe, we say, right? Udyama means with endeavors, with very focused efforts. And so udyataha means by putting with those focused efforts, make sure that you focus on this with all the attention towards this yajna. Kindly make sure that it successfully runs without any interruptions. Tatheti cha sa rajanam अब्रवीद् द्विजसत्तमः करिष्ये सर्वमेवैतत् भवता यत् समर्थितं
यस्समर्पितं
भवता यत् समर्थितं
भवता यस्समर्थितं
यत् समर्थितं so tatha iti cha saha. Who is saha here? Saha is Vasishtha. So Vasishtha is saying tatha, all right, as it is. Tatha iti cha saha rajanam abravit dvijasattamaha. Saha dvijasattamaha Vasishtha rajanam tatha iti cha abravit. And also he said karishye. Tatha karishye, I shall do it like that. Tatha karishye, sarvameva etat bhavata yat samarthitam. As much capacity as you give me, yatha samarthitam, yat samarthitam, as you make me capable, as much as the capacity you give me, in that capacity, I shall do everything as wished and asked by you. Yatha sarvam eva etat bhavata yat samarthitam tat tatha karishye iti saha dvijasattamaha Vasishtha rajanam abravit. So that is the Anvaya Vakyam of it. So he says, all right, tatha iti. Tato bravid vijan vruddhan
ततो ब्रवीत् विजान् वृद्धान्
यज्ञकर्मसु निष्ठितान्
यज्ञकर्मसु निष्ठितान्
स्थापत्ये निष्ठितांश्चैव
स्थापत्ये निष्ठितांश्चैव
वृद्धान्
परमधार्मिकान्.
From here all the slokas go together in one Anvayam, but we'll go sloka by sloka only. So tataha dvijan vruddhan yajnakarmasu nishtitan sthapatye nishtitanschaiva vruddhan paramadharmikan abravit. So Vasishtha, after acknowledging to Dasharatha tatha iti, now he is talking to various wise learned people in various elderly people, elderly not necessarily in age, in knowledge also. So Vruddhan, when we say, is not necessarily elderly by age, but knowledgeable people. So Tataha Abravit Vruddhan Dvijan, so grown up Dvijaha, twice born or twice learned people. Yajna Karmasu Nishthitan, those who are well established in Yajna Karma, Yajna Karmasu, in the Yajna Karmas, Nishthitan, those who are established in it. That means those who are regularly doing it, those who know in and out of it, every detail. Yajna Karmasu Nishthitan, Sthapatye Nishthitanschaiva, Sthapatya Vidya. In the Ashtadasha Vidya Sthanani, we also saw Sthapatyam as one of the Upavedas. So Sthapatyam is that sculpture or architecture, we can call it, right? Architecture, so that those who know where to establish the Vedi, where to establish various Yajnakundas. Again, there are various, we also studied that time, right? There are three types of Yajnakunda formations. So those who know all those geometry of formations of them, so those who can build all of them. And you will see as we go forward in the Vyavastha, what all they have to build to do the Hayamedha at such a big scale. So you need Sthapatye Nishtitanschaiva, those who are well established in architecture and sculpture. So Sthapatye Nishtitanschaiva, Vruddhan Paramadharmikan, again grown up people who are very dharmika people, that means who understand, practice and live dharma. So those are dharmika. So dharmikan, karmantikans chilpakaran.
Bhogaji, you have to repeat it.
Karmantikans chilpakaran.
Karmadikans se makaran.
Karmantikan
Karmantikan
chilpakaran.
Shilpakaran,
So in Sandhi it becomes Karmantikan Chilpakaran,
Tanmardikan Shilpakaran,
Vardhakin Khanakanapi,
Vardakin Danakanapi,
Ganakan Shilpan,
Ganakanapi,
Khanakan,
Thanakan,
Khanakanapi,
Tanakanapi,
Ganakan Shilpinaschaiva,
Kanakan Shilpinaschaiva,
Tathaiva Natanartakan.
Tataiva Natanartakan.
So some more professionals. So karma antikan, those who are antikan, those who carry work till the end. That means very dedicated, committed professionals, workers. Karmantikan, shilpakaran. Shilpakaran, those who make shilpas. The word is used as shilpinaha, shilpakaran. Twice he has used. In the second line, he says Ganakan Shilpinaschaiva. Ganakaha we have already seen, the cheerleading people, cheerleaders. So Karmantikan Shilpakaran, Vardhikan Khanakan Api. So to build these, you need to dig lot of ground, right? Because you have to establish a lot of poles. First thing is you have always, pillars, columns you have to dig, right? And to establish Vedis, you have to again dig. To dig tents, to dig wells, to dig several other amenities. You need Khanakan, they are called. Khananam is digging. So those who do digging are called Khanakan, which means those who come with our, we see, right, when they make roads and all also, you see them cutting the ground with machinery. So such professionals who are good at digging quickly and aptly. So Khanakanapi, Ganakan, the cheerleaders, Shilpinaha, the sculpts, what are they called? Sculpts? Those who do sculpture.
Sculptors.
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 Shilpinaschaiva, Tathaiva, Nata Nartakan, actors and dancers. Because this is going to run for a long time, you need Harikatha kind of entertainment, some dances entertainment. Dance again, as in, for us everything is devotional and everything is adhyatmic related only. So Bharatanatyam, various other natyams. So Nata Nartakan, Tato Bravit Shastravidaha,
Tato bravit shastravidaha
Purushan Subahushrutan,
purushan subahussutan
Yajna Karma Samihantam,
yajna karma samihantam
Bhavanto Rajasasanat.
bhavanto rajashashanat.
So Tataha Abravit. After that, after addressing those professionals who are into various of these professions, now he's talking to Shastravidaha. Shastravit is singular, Prathama. Shastravidaha, Bahuvachanam. And again, that becomes Svadvitiya Vibhakti also. Shastravidaha Tataha Abravit. He addressed the Shastravit, knowers of knowledgeable people of Shastras, Shastris. Unto them, Purushansu Bahushrutan, those who have heard a lot, which means what? For us, Shruti is Veda, right? So, Purushansu Bahushrutan, to those who are knowledgeable, well aware, those who have studied Vedas for long, those who have studied Shruti for long, are Subahushruta. Unto them, Purushansu Bahushrutan, unto them he said, Yajna Karma Samihantam. May you all start the Yajna Karma. Yajna Karma Samihantam. In fact, supervise it is. Ihantam. May you supervise or watch. Supervision, essentially, right? So, supervise. Yajna Karma Samihantam. Bhavantaha. O you all Bahushrutaha. Rajashashanat. According to the instruction, according to the dictation of the Raja or according to the wish of Raja. Ishtaka bahu sahasri
इष्टका बहुशास्त्री
शीघ्रमानीयतामिति
शीघ्रमानीयतामिति
औपकार्याः क्रियन्तां च
औपकार्याः क्रियन्तां च
राज्ञां बहुगुणान्विताः
राज्ञां
गुणान्विताः
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 ब्राह्मणा
okay, so ishtaka is bricks. Essentially the brick structures, so the brick based vedi, brick based homa kundas, etc. So ishtakaah bahu sahasri, by thousands. You have to get thousands, which means several huge number may you procure the bricks that will be used for the yajna vedis. Ishtakaah bahusahasri shighramaniyatam, immediately or quickly may you procure all the ishtakas in thousands of numbers. Aupakaryaah kriyantam cha, upakarya related things are aupakaryaah kriyantam. As you procure them, there are several other related activities of setting up vedis, etc. So aupakaryaah kriyantam cha rajnyam bahugunanvitaah, for the kings, bahugunanvitaah, with various qualities, with various attributes, which means make sure it is well organized, well decorated, properly laid out. Bahugunanvitaah rajnyam bahugunanvitaah aupakaryaah kriyantam, by ishtakaah bahusahasri shighramaniyatam iti. Brahmana
ब्राह्मणावसताश्चैव
कर्तव्या शतशः शुभाः
कर्तव्यास्तशः शुभाः
भक्ष्यान्नपानैर्बहुभिः
भक्षान्नपानैर्बहुभिः
समुपेताः सुनिष्ठिताः.
समुपेताः सुनिष्ठिताः.
So Brahmana vasatha avasathaah, tatraiva vasathaah sarve ramamana vanetrayam, in the very first sarga we remember, right? Avasathaah, places to stay. Brahmana vasathaah chaiva kartavyaah shubhaah shatashaha, by hundreds you have to make quarters or call it quarters, or rooms or residential areas for Brahmana, because they are the ones first who are performing the yajna there. Brahmana vasataha kartavyaha shatashaha shubhaha, and not just the residential places there. Bhakshya anna panaihi bahubhihi, with abundant, with several bhakshyas, snacks, annam, food, panaihi, drinks. Bhakshanna panaihi bahubhihi samupetaha, these quarters should be upetaha, with. Upetaha means along with. Samupetaha sunishtitaha, properly arranged and organized there. Tatha
पौरजनस्यापि
कर्तव्या बहुविस्तराः
सुविस्तराः
You are reading somewhere else. कर्तव्या बहुविस्तराः आवासा बहुभक्षाश्च
आगातानां. Oh, sorry. I think it's a different actually. Sorry.
That's why I'm saying there are several pathas. Probably you are reading a different patha.
Yeah.
So listen and repeat here.
Yeah.
Avasa bahubhakshascha
आवासा बहुभ्रष्टाश्च
सर्वकामैरुपस्थिताः.
सर्वकामैरुपस्थिताः.
So first instructions given were for the quarters with bhakshya anna panaihi bahubhihi samupetaha sunishtitaha for brahmana vasataha. Then the second set of arrangements is tatha paurajanasyapi. Purajanaha, all those who come from cities, urban people. For those various people who come from urban areas, tatha paurajanasyapi kartavya, you have to do bahuvistaraha, very elaborate, in elaborate detail, you have to make avasaha, again residential areas for paurajanaha. There also bahubhakshascha, make sure there are abundant food there. Bahubhakshascha sarva kamairupasthitaha, with all possible sarva kamaihi, with all possible comforts. Let us put it that way. Make sure there are all good, well-established quarters for people who come from cities with all comforts there. So that means probably like what do you call them? Luxury hotels. And tatha janapadasyapi janasya bahushobhanam
जनस्य बहुशोभनं
दातव्यमन्नं विधिवत्
दातव्यमन्नं विधिवत्
सत्कृत्य न तु लीलया.
सत्कृत्य न तु लीलया.
And then, so Brahmana Vasataha, first instructions, then Paurajanasya Avasaha. Now, Janapadasya api Janasya Bahushobhanam. Make quarters for Janapada, those who come from rural areas, from villages. For them also, make sure Bahushobhanam, very beautiful quarters. Make sure there are beautiful residential areas for them also, rest areas for them also. Datavyam annam vidhivat. Make sure good food is given. Annam datavyam vidhivat. Satkritya. After satkaram kritva. Satkaram is felicitation. Meaning, take good care of them. After giving good respect, good honor to them, make sure you give them good food also. Natu leelaya. Don't, just because they are Janapadaha from villagers, just because they are villagers coming from rural areas, don't take them for granted, or don't, don't do any maya for them, leela for them. Vidhivat anna datavyam annam. Vidhivat annam datavyam, he is very clearly instructing them. That means, see how much of detailed instructions are being given. For Vyavastha teams, this is exactly a fantastic lessons here. How to think of various people that we are inviting, where do they come from, who all need rides from the airports, who all have to be placed in which houses, based on the person, based on the type of the Atithi that is coming. Oh, if he is a very knowledgeable person, let us associate them with a newcomer so that they get impressed. If it is an ordinary person, then put him with more experienced Karyakartas home. So all this Vyavastha we do, right? Similar Vyavastha is being discussed here also. As based on the type from where they come, based on the experience that they have, make sure that they are put in respective quarters so that there is paraspara labha. Sarva varna yatha pujam
सर्ववर्णा यथा पूजां
प्राप्नुवन्ति सुसत्कृताः
प्राप्नुवन्ति सुसत्कृताः
न चावज्ञा प्रयोक्तव्या
Navajñā.
Can you
न
say that again?
चावज्ञा प्रयोक्तव्या
प्रयोक्तव्या
कामक्रोधवशादपि
कामक्रोधवशापहि
कामक्रोधवशादपि
कामक्रोधवशादपि
Sarvavarnaha. So in the first level, he said, okay, Brahmanaha, then Paurajanaha, then Janapadaha, and then Sarvavarnaha. Hey, now forget any classifications. Anybody who comes. Sarvavarnaha yatha pujam prapnuvanti. जैसे पूजा वो लोग पा पाएंगे, मीन्स जैसे, हाउ टू से दैट इन इंग्लिश, as they can be honored, as they can be given services, make sure that all Sarvavarnaha are given all the puja, all services. Satsu Satkritaha, well felicitated, well honored and felicitated. Nacha avajna prayoktavyaha. So jna is knowledge, abhijna is identification, ava is under, avajna. That means make sure nobody is insulted or no bad words are used, no ridicules, no short-tempered blabbering. All of those put together is avajnaha. Na avajnaha prayoktavyaha. Nobody should ever utter any of these negative related words or things. Kama krodha vashadapi, even by anger or by greed or whatever. For no reason, make sure nobody uses any bad addressing, nobody uses any bad intended words, ill-intended words. Nacha avajnaha prayoktavyaha kama krodha vashadapi. Yajna karmasu ye vyagraha.
यज्ञ कर्मसु ये व्यग्राः
पुरुषाः शिल्पिनस्तथा
पुरुषाः शिल्पिनस्तथा
तेषामपि विशेषेण पूजा कार्या
यथाक्रमम्
ते च स्युः संभृताः सर्वे वसुभिर्भोजनेन च. So now initially he discussed about all the preparations of the quarters, avasathaha, avasaha, for all residential areas, rest areas. Now he is talking about, okay, quarters are there. Before that, what happens? They are received, and after they are received, they are made to sit, given all the puja is all the felicitations, and then as soon as somebody enters, we try to have them seated somewhere. We offer them some water, we offer them some drink if they have come in, if it is in summer time, or if it is chai, etc., right, and some snacks. So all of that part of puja. So yajna karma. So now he is talking about puja felicitation areas. So yajna karma suye vyagraha purushaha. Those who are vyagraha means deeply engrossed in yajna karmas. Purushaha shilpinaha. Those who are also sculptors. Because these two go together. Sculptor is not necessarily art form sculpture, but yajna form sculpture also. Shilpinaha tatha. Tesham api visheshena puja karya yathakramam. As per the order, in an orderly manner, make sure all of them, those who are deeply engrossed and busy in yajna karma, and the sculptors who work with them in arranging all those structures, make sure all of them are given the proper services, yathakramam, as per the order. Why and how? What should be the outcome, or how well you should do it? Te sarve vasubhihi bhojanena cha sambhritaah syuhu. They all should be vasubhihi. What is vasu? What is vasu?
Bhumi.
Bhumi is one. So, wealth, essentially Vasu is wealth. Ashtavasavaha we have. Right? We have 8 Vasus. One is of course Bhumi, there is Suvarna and so many other Vasus. So, Vasubhihi, by these Vasu, that means make sure they are economically honored. Bhojanena cha, along with Annam also, Bhojanam also. Sambhritaha, Samyak Bhritaha, fully, that they are fulfilled, that they are fulfilled with wealth and Bhojanam. Syuhu, may they be. Te sarve Vasubhihi bhojanena cha sambhritaha syuhu. They all may they all be fulfilled with wealth and bhojanam. Yatha sarvam suvihitam.
यथा सर्वं सुविहितं
न किंचित परिहीयते.
न किञ्चित् परिहीयते
तथा भवन्तः कुर्वन्तु.
तथा भवन्तः कुर्वन्तु
प्रीतिस्निग्धेन चेतसा.
प्रीतिस्निग्धेन चेतसा.
Very good. Yatha sarvam suvihitam. Vihitam is carried on. Suvihitam, well carried on. Tataha yatha sarvam suvihitam. So that everything is carried on in the perfect manner. Na kinchit parihiyate. Parihiyate. Hiya is heya. Heya bhavam is belittled. Or essentially make sure that there are no lapses. Yatha na kinchit parihiyate. Not even a bit of a lapse. Make sure everything is properly arranged and organized. Tatha bhavantaha kurvantu. So that you all make sure that there are no lapses, that there are no drawbacks, that there are no interruptions. Make sure that you all, he was addressing initially all of those professionals we have seen, right? And then Bhahushruta cha, onto all of them he has been addressing. To all of them he is saying now, make sure that yatha sarvam suvihitam, well, everything is properly organized. Na parihiyate kinchit. No lapses, no ridicules to be heard of. Tatha bhavantaha kurvantu. So shall you all do it. Priti snigdhena chetasa. Don't take it as a burden and do it. Don't take it as a pressure and do it. Snigdhena chetasa. With snigdha chetasa. With a friendly mind, with a friendly heart. Kindly do this with friendly heart. Treat it as your own task and do them, not as a pressurized, mera shift abhi 8 baje tak hai, I have to complete it and run. No, don't take it like that. Do it with friendly heart. Snigdhena chetasa. That to priti snigdhena chetasa. With lovely, friendly minds and hearts. May you all make sure that everything is organized without any lapses, etc. Tata sarve samagamya.
ततः सर्वे समागम्य
वसिष्ठमिदमब्रुवन्
वसिष्ठमिदं
यथोक्तं तत् सुविहितं न.
Can you say that again?
यथोक्तं तत् सुविहितं
यथोक्तं विहितं
न किञ्चित् परिहीयते.
न किञ्चित् परिहीयते.
यथोक्तं तत् करिष्यामो.
यथोक्तं तत् करिष्यामो.
न किञ्चित् परिहास्यते.
न किञ्चित् परिहास्यते.
Bhoga Babu, one quick question. The word snigdha actually is an adjective, right?
Snigdha is based on how the vibhakti is, it becomes adjective, it becomes the noun.
Because typically we use in Marathi, something is snigdha means it's very fine.
Correct.
Yeah.
Snigdha is very fine. Okay. Yeah, it can be very fine. It can be very sticky. It can be very unleaving, unwavering. Snigdha is essentially the greasy stickings.
Sham, I think Snigdha is also. Sham, Snigdha is also, it's a prema, no?
It's also prema related word. Yes, friendship related word. Snigdha.
Okay.
Where did you find it is not adjective here? There was this Bhavantah Snigdha. Priti Snigdhena with Snigdha. There is a quality of the or adjective of the activity. Chetasa. Chetas is buddhi, intellect or mind. With your intellect. With what kind of intellect? With Priti Snigdhena Chetasa.
Yeah.
With loving and friendly minds, bhavantaha tat sarvam kurvantu. May you all do these activities. So essentially, what he's saying is, don't do it with pressure. Do it with love and affection for these tasks. Do it as your own task and do it with affection. That's the instruction there essentially.
And one other comment on Leelaya. Because Leelaya is also has some notion of ease. But Natu Leelaya is don't take it easy.
Don't take it easy. Yeah.
So right?
Natu Leelaya. Take care of them, take good care of them, and don't take it easy. You are right.
Okay.
So Tataha Sarve Samadhamya, all of them unto whom he addressed, they all have come together and responded. Abruvan, they have said. Vasishtham idam abruvan, they said this unto Vasishtha. Yathoktam tat suvihitam na kinchit parihiyate. As you said, tat suvihitam, we shall do it well organized. Na kinchit parihiyate, nothing shall be, there shall not be any lapses. Yathoktam tat karishyamaha, we shall do as said, as instructed by you. Na kinchit parihasyate, nothing shall be ridiculed. Tatas sumantramaniya Vasishtho vakyam abravit Nimantrayasva nrupatin Pruthivyam ye cha dharmikaah. So far, instructions were given for establishing the vyavastha, the rest areas, the shelters, the food, etc., and puja areas. Puja areas and welcome areas, reception areas. All of that instructions were given. Now invites. Now onwards, he is telling who all to invite, whom you should go personally and invite, whom you should send others and invite, all the details of invitations. So tataha sumantram aniya, by bringing Sumantra, we all know who is the most dearest minister of Dasharatha. So he is almost as good as the representative of Dasharatha. He is Dasharatha. If he goes and invites, people take that as the most personal invitation of Dasharatha. So tata Sumantram aniya, by inviting Sumantra, Vasishtaha vakyam abravit. Vasishta said this sentence. What was that? Nimantrayasva means do the nimantrana. Nimantrana is invitation. Right? Nimantrayasva nrupatin. Nrupatihi king. Nrupatayaha kings. Nrupatim dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Nrupatin dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. So please invite all the kings. Nrupatin pruthivyam yecha dharmikaah. Ye dharmikaah nrupatayaha tan nimantrayasva. That is the condition there. Bring all the dharmika kings. Invite all dharmika kings. Brahmanan, Kshatriyan, Vaishyan.
Brahmanan, Kshatriyan, Vaishyan.
Sudran, Chaiva Sahasrashah.
शूद्रांश्चैव सहस्रशः
समानयस्व सत्कृत्य
समानयस्य सत्कृत्य
सर्वदेशेषु मानवान्.
सर्वदेशेषु मानवान्.
So Brahmanan. So if you see an, this is all Dvitiya Vibhakti. It means unko, call them. So Brahman, and who else to invite? Not only Nrupatihi, Brahmanan, Kshatriyan, Vaishyan, Shudranscha, eva sahasrashaha, in thousands. Means don't worry about numbers. Invite all Brahmanas, all Kshatriyas, all Vaishyas, all Shudras also. Quotable quote. Who says Shudras are ever looked down upon? No. Shudranscha sahasrashaha. And then he is saying, why even categorize them? Sarvadeshesu manavan. All people from all countries, people from all areas. Sarvadesheshu manavan satkritya, well felicitated. Felicitate them as soon as they enter. Give them a nice topi or a kiritam, nice garland, one nice flower bouquet, probably some perfumes, some uttariyam, and so felicitate them, make them happy, please them, because we want blessings from all of them. Because some so sarvadeseshu manavan satkritya samanayasva. Not just though initially he said Brahmanan, Kshatriyan, Vaishyan, Shudran, forget it. Sarva manavan, sarvadeseshu manavan samanayasva satkritya. See, if we are able to do academic research, we have to take these slokas as quotes to say, hey, because in our Dharma Ambassador prosecution also, one is that misconception where we talk of jati, caste, and all. So for those, of course, in the training, it's a very prescribed content, only that needs to be presented. But for later, further studies, we should take these slokas and quote them. Hey, our most authentic, ancient, oldest texts have no such discriminations. There are identifications, but no discriminations. There is discerning, but no discrimination. So
this would be the apt example for us to, push or propagate the equality proposed in Ramayana based on this in our social media. Exactly.
Please, Raghuji, remember, I was asking people to remember the quotable quotes and all. I can do it, but I thought we should also, all of us should do it. So remember this sloka, 113:18. The fantastic sloka of how well there is equal worship, equal honoring, equal felicitation, equal services to all classes of the society across all nations also. Sarvadesheshu manavan. Now he's taking names of especially the kings to be invited personally by Sumantra. Mithiladhipatim Veeram.
Mithiladhipatim Veeram.
Janakam Satyavikramam.
Janakam Satyavikramam.
Nishthitam Sarvashastreshu.
Nishthitam Sarvashastreshu.
Tatha Vedeshu Nishthitam.
Tatha Vedeshu Nishthitam.
Tamanaya Mahabhagam.
Tamanaya Mahabhagam.
Swayameva Susatkritam.
Swayameva Susatkritam.
So first person is saying tam swayameva, you personally, you yourself go and tam anaya, tam mahabhagam anaya. He is a mahabhaga, the great person. Unto this, such great person, swayameva susatkritam tam mahabhagam anaya. Felicitate him, honor him well, and bring him. Who is he? Mithiladhipatihi. Mithiladipati, Mithila Deshasya Raja. Veeraha is also Veera. See, if we don't read these slokas, and if we have seen only those TV serials or movies, we will think Janaka means always beard and old. Dasharatha means beard and old. No, they were strong, able leaders, rulers. So Veera Janaka, Satya Vikramam, and whose Vikrama, whose valor is Satya, being real, sticking to reality. Truth is what we say, but Satya is reality. And in a way, if you see, the first person that is quoted by Vasishtha to be invited is Mithila Adipati Janaka. So if you look ahead of Balakanda into Ayodhya Kanda, then you will see, or in Balakanda only, so you will see there is a connection. Oh, there is some plan and design taking place already. So Mithila Adipatim Veera Janakam Satyavikramam. And see, why did he choose him? Because Rama is also Satyavikrama. Dasharatha is also Satyavikrama. Right? Stick to reality. That's it. Once given a word, no more false. We only talk truth. We only talk reality. So he has picked Satyavikrama Mithila Adipatim, who is a Veera Janakam. And what kind of a person is he? Sarva Shastreshu Nishthitam. Nisthita, who is a Sthita. Nirantaram Sthitaha is Nishtitaha. One who is established, practicing, living in Sarva Shastras, in all Shastras. Tatha Vedeshu Nishthitam. Not only Shastras, he is also established in Vedas. So such a great, valorous, reality-sticking king of Mithila, you go in person and bring him. Tamanaya. And what kind of a person is he? Purva Sambandhinam. We didn't, I think we should have read that line also. Purva Sambandhinam Jnatva. Whoever read before? I think Lavanya ji, Lavanya ji, please read that so that you will complete that sloka. Purva Sambandhinam Jnatva.
Purva Sambandhinam Gnatva.
Tatah Purvam Bravimite.
Tatah Purvam Bravimite.
Purva Sambandhinam Jnatva. Knowing very well that he is a Purva Sambandhi. Purva Sambandhi means he is already related, or he is already an acquaintance, a friend of Dasharatha. Hey, know very well that he is not just another great ordinary king. He is a good friend of Dasharatha. He is a relative of Dasharatha. Relative not necessarily by blood, but meaning they have a relationship of friendship, of political alliances, of dharmika, virtue, values-based relationship. So, knowing that, go in person and honor him and bring him well honored, well felicitated. So that is the point here. So, as I said, right, we are seeing the dot, far ahead dot, well in advance now of how things are being planned. So, Purva Sambandhinam Jnatva Tataha Purvam Bravimite. Purvam, that is why I am telling you in the beginning. I am telling you, I am quoting him as the first person in the invitee list because he is Purva Sambandhi. And knowing that he is a Purva Sambandhi, and hence I am telling you in the beginning itself, make sure he is well felicitated and invited and brought here. Tatha Kashipatim Snigdham.
Tatha Kashipatim Snigdham.
Satatam Priyavadinam.
Satatam Priyavadinam.
Sadvrittam Deva Sankasham.
Sadvrittam Deva Sankasham.
Swayamevanayasvaha.
Swayamevanayasvaha.
Tatha, so that first invitee is already listed. Now the second invitee, next invitee, Tatha Kashipatim, the king of the Kashi area, Kashipatim Snigdham, who is also another friend of Dasharatha. Satatam Priyavadinam. Whereas Janaka is Satyavikramaha, the quality given for Kashipati here is Priyavadinam. He's a very pleasing, pleasantly speaking person. He always pleases others. So Priyavadinam, Sadvrittam. Sadvrittam, one who is a vritti, one who is one whose profession, one whose activities, one who's always acting in Sat, that means in reality. Devasankasham, one whose glow is like Devas. Devasankasham, Swayameva Anayasva. So because Kashipati, who is also a friend of our King Dasharatha, who is always a pleasant speaking person, known to be known to be a person who pleases everybody, who is always in reality, who is glowing like gods, you go and bring him in person. Swayameva Anayasvaha. So if you see, there is some nice, that is why they say these are not just story. If we have our background, then we understand the beauty of the connections. For Mithiladipati, he said Satyavikramam. For next one, Kashipati, it is Priyavadinam. As soon as you hear these two qualities, what do we remember? If we remember, if we know that. Yes, Ushaji.
Rama is
Rama's
qualities.
Rama's qualities is one, but there is another great Subhashitam, we all know, right? Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat.
Satyam priyam bruyat.
Do you remember that? Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat.
Bruyat,
satyam apriyam. Priyam cha namritam chaiva. Esha dharma sanatana. So Satya and Priya, these two always go together. These two have to be together, is what is. In a way, if you see, that is one Subhashitam, but if you see the two qualities of the two people invited, they are going in exactly that order. Satyavikramam Mithiladhipatim, then Kashipatim Satatam Priyavadinam. So, there is this is not just an ordinary story or a text or a historical text of dating 1896 and 1950. Come on, we are not interested about time. What to learn? And that is why it is called Vedopabramhanam. It is an authentic glossary of Vedas. Whatever is prescribed in Vedas is what is only taught in Ramayana. Even though Valmiki probably did not claim so boldly, proudly, probably boastfully, like Vyasa, who says, Yadihasti tadanyatra yannehasti natattvachit, says Vyasa of Mahabharata. Of writing everything, he says, hey, what is Mahabharatam? If anybody asks, or why should we read Mahabharatam? Because yat iha asti, whatever is in this, tadanyatra, that only exists elsewhere. Yanneha asti, yat na iha asti, whatever is not there in this, na tat kvachit, there cannot be outside. That means every character, everything in the world is in Mahabharatam. If there is no quality that in Mahabharatam, probably there cannot be such a quality existing in the world. That means I have covered everything of the world. Everything, positive, good, all shades. And that is the claim of Vyasa Maharshi. Of course, Valmiki didn't make any such claim. Only Brahma said that. In fact, when Valmiki, as we read, right, in the third sarga, Yavat sthasyanti girayaha salilascha mahitale tavat Ramayana gatha lokeshu pracharishyati. The blessing given by Brahma to Valmiki, right? And so, these are Vedopabramhanam, such beautiful. It is, we don't know if it is by intent or if it comes out like that because Brahma only is dictating. And he says, right, Machanda Devate Brahman. Right? with my Chandas only you are talking all of this. So it is directly given by Brahma in a way. So, I mean, I found the beautiful dots connected there. Satyavikramam Priyavadinam. So I spoke so much. But we wanted to complete this. We have only 5 minutes. Let's take 10 more minutes extra, but we'll complete this sarga. Tatha Kekaya Rajanam.
Tatha Kekaya Rajanam.
Vruddham Paramadharmikam.
Vruddham Paramadharmikam.
Swashuram Rajasimhasya.
Swashuram Rajasimhasya.
Saputram Tvamihanaya.
Saputram Tvamihanaya.
So Tatha, also the third invitee is Kekaya Raja. Kekaya Rajanam. Kekaya Raja ko. Kekaya Rajanam. Vruddham Paramadharmikam. Swashuram, father-in-law. Because Kekaya Raja is Kaikeyi's father. So father-in-law for Dasharatha. So Swashuram Rajasimhasya, of our King Raja, of our lion of the kings, our Dasharatha, of his father-in-law, So Saputram, along with his son, Tvam Iha Anaya, because who is the uncle of Bharata, they are not yet born. So he is inviting him also. Saputram, along with his son, Tvam Ihanaya, you go and bring him. So these are personal invitations being assigned to Sumantra by Vasishtha. Angeshwaram Mahabhagam.
Angeshwaram Mahabhagam.
Romapadam Susatkritam.
Romapadam Susatkritam.
Vayasyam Rajasimhasya.
Vayasyam Rajasimhasya.
Tamanaya Yashasvinam.
Tamana Yasasvinam.
Angeshwaram, Angadesha, we read that whole sarga, right, of Rishyashringa's birth and how Rishyashringa and all was quoted by Sanat Kumara in one of the Deva Sabhas, which Sumantra happened to hear, which he tells to Dasharatha after Dasharatha discusses with all of them. We read all of that sarga, right? So, that Romapada, Vayasaha means a friend in same age. Vayasyaha, same aged person, which means a friend. Vayasya is essentially a friend. So, Vayasyam Rajasimhasya, again Rajasimha, Dasharatha. Vayasyam Rajasimhasya, Yashasvinam, who is a well-reputed Romapada. So, Satkritam Tam Mahabhagam Angeshwaram Anaya. Make sure he is well felicitated and honored and bring him. You bring him. Prachinat Sindhu Sauviran.
Prachinat Sindhu Sauviryan.
Sauviran. Saurashtreyans Parthivan.
Saurashtreyans Parthivan.
Dakshinatyad Narendranscha.
Dakshinatran Narendrascha.
Dakshinatyan
Narendranscha. Samastananayasvaha.
So Prachinan, from the east side. Now several other kings, now no more personal names, but bring all the kings. From where all, we can read the geography. Prachinat, from the eastern side, which means Bengal probably and all the Assam, all of them. Prachinat, Sindhu. Sindhu is the west side, west coast. Sauvira, Saurashtra. Saurashtra, we know, Gujarat and Rajasthan, that area. Sauvira, Saurashtrayanscha, Parthivan, and Dakshinatyan, from the south also. Dakshinatyan, Narendranscha, Samastan, all the kings. But of course, he qualified them in the beginning only. Yecha dharmikaha, those who are dharmikaha. Dharmika kings only. Samastan Narendranscha Anayasva, you shall bring them. Santi snigdhascha ye chanye,
Santi snigdhascha ye chanye
Rajanah prithivitale,
rajanah prithivitale
Tananaya yatha kshipram,
tananaya yatha kshipram
Sanugan sahabandhavan.
तानुगान सह बांधवान
ये च अन्ये स्निग्धास राजानः पृथिवीतले सन्ति तान् सानुगान् सह बान्धवान् यथा क्षिप्रम् आनय. So whoever are the other friends, snigdha, पृथिवीतले, in the entire world, on the entire earth, wherever Dasharatha Maharaj has friends in the entire world, Tan sa anugan, sanugan. Sanugan means those who go with him. It means all his, all his cabinet or his immediate circle, close circle. Along with his close circle, close network of friends, saha bandhavan, along with their relatives also, go and bring them. Yata kshipram. Kshipram is kshiprachala, run. So bring them immediately, all of those friends from across the world of Dasharatha Maharaja. Vasishtavakyam tachratva.
Vasishtavakyam tatshritva.
Sumantrastvaritastada.
Sumantrastvaritas tada.
Vyadishat purushanstatra.
Vyadishat purushanstatra.
Rajñam anayane shubhan.
Ragnan manayane shubhan.
Rajñam anayane shubhan.
Ragnam anayane shubhan.
So Vasishtavakyam, Tat Vasishtavakyam Shrutva, having heard that instructions and that sentence, that statements of Vasishtha, Sumantraha Tvaritaha Tada. Of Sumantra, even in the previous Sarga also, Tvarita Vikramaha, they said, right? Because he can do things in hurry. No, not in hurry. Tvarita is immediateness, instantaneously he does things. In haste is a negative word, but what we mean is he does immediately, without any delay. So Tvaritaha tada. So Sumantra means always Tvarita Vikramaha, Tvaritaha. Those are the qualities that Valmiki is using for Sumantra always. So Tvaritaha Sumantraha tada Vasishtavakyam tat Vasishtavakyam Shrutva Purushan Vyadishat Tatra. Tatra Purushan, several other people that he has, his staff. Unto his staff, Vyadishat, Viseshena Adishat. Adishat, Adesham Kritavan. He gave orders. Rajñam Anayane, orders of bringing all the kings, Shubhan, all the good kings. He ordered his staff to go and bring all the other friends. Who are the other ones? Yecha anye snigdha prithivitale. Tan sarvan sanugan sabandhavan anaya. So for that instruction, he first ordered his staff to go and bring those kings. Then Swayameva hi dharmatma.
Swayameva hi dharmatma.
Prayayau munishasanat.
Prayayo munishasanat.
Sumantrastvarito gatva.
Sumantrostvarito gatva.
Sumantrastvarito gatva.
Sumantrastvarito gatva.
Samanetum mahikshitaha.
Samanetum mahikshitaha.
So he ordered his staff to go and bring others, but for those for whom Vasishtha said you should go and invite personally. So Swayameva hi dharmatma. So the Sumantra, who is a dharmatma, Swayameva, himself, Munishasanat, by the orders of the Muni Vasishtha, Sumantraha, Tvaritaha. So over and over, Tvarita adjective is given for Sumantra. Sumantraha, Tvaritaha, Gatva, in a hurry or immediately having gone, Samane, immediately he left. Mahikshitaha Samanetum Gataha, Gatva. So all these kings that he has listed, which is Mithiladhipati Janakaha, Kashipatihi, and Kekaya Raja, right? All those names that he has taken, whom he said go and order and invite them in person. So to bring them in person, he left immediately. Techa karmantika sarve.
Techa karmantika sarve.
Vasishtaya cha dhimate.
Vasishtaya cha dhimate.
Sarvam nivedayanti sma.
Sarvam nivedayanti sma.
Yajne yadupakalpitam.
Yajne yadupakalpitam.
So now Sumantra left, all his staff left for bringing invitees. Now the activities of construction of the yajna, establishing all the infrastructure that Vasishtha has already instructed, back to review of that. Techa karmantika hasarve, all those committed workers. So that was the first category of professionals he has mentioned. Vasishtha's opening statement, if you read. So karma antikan was the first one, right? So those karma antikaha, te sarve dhimate vasishtaya sarvam nivedayanti sma. Sma is a asti verbs used in a used to say that. They are used to do this, which means a continuous tense. So in a continuous manner, every day, morning, evening, afternoon, etc. Nivedayanti sma. They were reporting Nivedana. Even we do Nivedana, right? In our Shakha Baitak, Karyakarani Baitak, we do last year's Nivedana. That is reporting. We report the entire statistics, etc. So Techa Karmantika Sarve Dhimate Vasishtaya Yajne Yad Upakalpitam Tat Sarvam Nivedayanti Sma. In the Yajna, as things are being upakalpitam, as they are being set up, as they are being brought up to speed, all of that was being reported to Dhiman Vasishtha. Tata Prito Dvijasreshtan.
Tata Prito Dvijasreshtan.
Sarvan Idamabravit.
Sarvan Idamabravit.
Avajnayana Datavyam.
Avajnaya Datavyam.
Kasya Chillilaya Piva.
Kasya Chillilaya Piva.
Kasya Chit Lilaya Apiva. Kasya Chillilaya Piva.
Kasya Chillilaya Piva.
Avajnaya Kritam Hanyat.
Avajnada. Sorry.
Don't read, listen and say. Avajnaya Kritam Hanyat.
Avajnaya Kritam.
Avajnaya
Kritam Hantyat.
Hanyat.
Kritam Hanyat. Dhataram.
Natra Samshayaha. So that is another lesson, quotable quote, 118:30. Make a note, anybody. You have to quote this. So Tataha Pritaha Dvijasreshtan Sarvan Idam Abravit. So as he is getting the reports of the progress of the Yajna, Pritaha, pleased Vasishtha, Idam Abravit, unto those reporters, he said this. Avajnaya nadatavyam. We already read avajna. Avajna means belittling, ridiculing, looking down, not looking up, looking down on. So avajnaya, with such thing, nadatavyam, kasyachit, leelaya apiva, not even taking for granted, or as Arunji or Shyamji, what is professor, he said, Leela is take it easy. No, don't take it easy. Don't, without taking things easy, or by taking things easy, na datavyam, you should not give. Why? Avajnaya kritam hanyat. If you do anything with such attitude, dataram hanyat. Hanyat, hananam kuryat, means it kills. It kills the donor or it kills the giver. Even though you might be giving big, commodities, big goods. But if you are giving it with a ridiculing attitude, it is going to kill you. So, avajnaya kritam hanyat dataram natra samshayaha. No doubt here. Natra samshayaha. Why is this? Oh boy, it's 38. Huh? What do we do? It's already 8:42. We are at 30. So 12 more slokas.
Oh God.
No, 38 only, sorry.
Oh wait, so that's 8 more slokas.
In fact, 37, sorry. Yeah.
7 more slokas.
7 more. What do we do?
I think we can go for it.
Yeah.
13 are there. Okay. Let us quickly finish up. Yeah. Tatah kaischidaho ratraihi.
Katak kaishchidahoratrai
Upayata mahikshitaha.
upayata mahikshitaha
Bahuni ratnanyadaya.
bahuni ratnanyadaya
Bahuni ratnanyadaya.
bahuni ratnanyadaya
Rajño Dasharathasya cha.
rajño dasarathasya cha.
Tataha, then after that, Kaischit, by some, Ahoratraihi upayataha mahikshitaha. Ahoratraihi. Aha is day, Ratri is in night, day and night. That means round the clock. Ahoratraihi upayataha mahikshitaha. People were coming day and night, right? Because some people will arrive at 2:30 a.m. flight. Some will arrive at 5 a.m. flight. Some will arrive in the afternoon. Some will arrive in the evening. Some will again arrive late in the night. Right? So, ahoratraihi upayataha. Upayataha. We arriving, coming. Mahikshitaha. Ikshitaha mahi. So, rulers of the land, that means kings. Bahuni ratnani adaya, by giving them several ratnani. Ratnani, no, all the gems and all. That means wealth. You are giving them nice gifts. Bahuni ratnani adaya rajnyaha dasharathasya cha, of Rajnya Dasharatha, of King Rajnya. All the several gifts of Dasharatha were being offered to all the invitees, all the kings that are arriving day and night round the clock. Tato Vasishtha Suprito.
Tato Vasishta Suprito.
Rajanamidam abravit.
Rajan idam
abravit.
Rajanamidam abravit.
Upayata naravyaghra.
Upayata naravyaghra.
Rajanastava shasanat.
Rajanastava shasanat.
So now, Tataha Vasishtaha Supritaha Rajanam idam abravit. Unto Dasharatha, he said this. Rajanaha naravyaghra. Oh, tiger of the kings. That means, oh, King Dasharatha. Upayataha Rajanaha tava shashanat upayataha. All the kings by your order have arrived. He reported that to Vasishtha. Vasishtha reported that to Dasharatha. Maya cha satkrita sarve.
मया च सत्कृताः सर्वे
यथार्हं राजसत्तमाः
यथार्हं राजसत्तमाः
यज्ञियं च कृतं राजन्
यज्ञियं च कृतं राजन्
पुरुषैः सुसमाहितैः.
पुरुषैः समाहितैः.
So maya cha satkritaah sarve, all those kings that have arrived are also felicitated, honored by me. Maya cha satkritaah sarve yatharham, as per their eligibilities. Rajasattamah, all those kings are well honored by me. Yajniyam chakritam rajan, they are all like when they come, we give them badges, right? Saying, okay, you are in Prathama, you are in Pravesha, you are in Pravina, right? We give all those badges and assign them. You are in quarter, in B1, dorm B1, right? So that is called Yajniyam. You are assigning them to that task. So all of these Rajas are also assigned properly, allocated properly to the Yajna. Then he becomes Yajniya. Yajniyam chakritam rajan, we have also assigned them to respective places in the yajna. Purushaihi susamahitaihi, by the people who are invited, they are all assigned. Niryatu cha bhavan yashtum,
Niryatatu cha bhavanyashtum
yajnayatanam antikat,
yajnayatanam antikat
yajnayatanam antikat,
yajnayatanam antikat
sarvakamair pahritaihi,
sarvakamair prahitair
sarvakamair upahritaihi,
sarvakamair upahitair
upetam vai samantatah,
upetam vai samantatah
drashtumarhasi rajendra,
drashtumarhasi rajendra
manaseva vinirmitam,
manaseva vinirmitam.
So niryatu cha bhavan, may you also please now leave meaning go, where yashtum, in order to do the yajna. Yajnayatanam antikat, from your antika is antahpura, from your antikat, yajnayatanam yashtum bhavan niryatu, from this antahpura may you leave to the yajnayatanam. Ayatanam, we all know ayatanam, right? Ayatanavan bhavati nakshatrani va apam ayatanavan bhavati ya evam veda. So ayatanam means abode, a place. A place. One who knows that place as where nakshatras also live. One who knows the place where water lives. One who knows that place where sun lives. Saha ayatanavan bhavati. He becomes that place knower, or that place guy. Very tough to translate in English. But ayatanavan bhavati. So likewise, yajnayatanam, the place where yajna is going to take place. Unto that place, antikat bhavan yashtum niryatu, may you please leave. Sarvakamaihi upahritaihi upetam. It is set up with all comforts now, with all arrangements, may you go there. Sarvapaka upahritam vai samantataha, from all around. And so drashtumarhasi, you can now go there and take a look at what all we have arranged and done there. Rajendra manasa iva nirmitam. How did we build it? Manasa, with the with manas. That means we have done it with wholeheartedly. May you now go and take a look at it. Tatha vasishta vachanat
तथा वसिष्ठवचनात्
ऋष्यशृङ्गस्य चोभयोः
ऋष्यशृङ्गस्य चोभयोः
शुभे दिवसनक्षत्रे
शुभे दिवसनक्षत्रे
निर्यातो जगतीपतिः.
निर्यातो जगतीपतिः.
So tatha, accordingly, Vasishtha Vachanat, as per the instruction or as per the report of Vasishtha, Rishyasringasya cha ubhayoho, on both sides of Rishyasringa, which means on one side there is Vasishtha, on the other side there is Dasharatha. Or you can also take it as Dasharatha is in the center, Rishyasringa is on one side, Vasishtha is on the other side. Ubhayoho, Rishyasringasya ubhayoho, on both sides of Rishyasringa. Shubhe Divasa Nakshatre, on a Shubha Muhurtam, essentially. On a good day, Divasa, good Nakshatram. Shubhe Divasa Nakshatre, Niryataha Jagati Patihi. Vikramji, I remember now, you saying, why in Tamil Nadu they only take Nakshatra, they don't consider Tithi. So here he is saying, Shubhe Divase Nakshatre. But both Divasa, Dina and Nakshatram, both have to be considered. So Shubhe Divasa Nakshatre Niryataha Jagati Patihi. Dasharatha, who is the king of the world, has on both sides of Rishyasringa, on one side himself and Vasishtha on the other side, they have left for the Yajnam, Yajnasthanam, Yajnayatanam. Tato Vasishtha Pramukhaha
Tatho Vasishtha Pramukhaha
Sarva eva Dvijottamaha
Eva Dijottamaha
Rishyasringam Puraskritya
Rishyasringam Puraskritya
Yajnakarmarabhanstatha tada
Yajnakarmarambastadha
Yajnakarmarabhanstatha.
Yajnakarmarambastadha.
You are reading. You are seeing the dot there and you are thinking it is Arambha. That is what you are used to. In Sanskritam, if it is Arambha, it will be written as Ra, Bha. If you see the dot on it, it is an Anuswara, which is An. So, Yajna Karma Arabhan is the verb there. They have started. Yajna Karma Arabhanstada.
Arabhamstatha.
Yajna Vatagata Sarve.
Yajna Vatagata Sarve.
Yatha Shastram Yatha Vidhi.
Yatha Shastram Yatha Vidhi.
So Tataha Vasishta Pramukhaha, Vasishta, Jabali, Kashyapa, all of those rishis of Dasharatha and all other Dvijottamaha, Sarva Dvijottamaha, so all the learned, twice born people, Rishyasringam Puraskritya, by keeping Rishyasringa in the front, Yajna Karma Arabhan Tada. They have started the Yajna Karma. Arabhan, Arabhate, Arabhan, Bahuvachanam, Langlakara, that means past tense. Tada, Yajna Vata Gataha, unto the Yajna land, Sarve Gataha, Yatha Shastram, Yatha Vidhi, as told by Shastras and as per the instructions from Smritis. Yatha Shastram, Yatha Vidhi. Yajna Vatagataha Sarve. We took 24 minutes extra today. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Trayodasha Sargaha Aditaha Shlokaha Ashtapanchashat-adhika-chatushatam. So this is the 458 shlokas we have read so far from the beginning. Aditya shlokaha 458 so far. Very good. Yes. Shanti mantram, somebody.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं भवेत् ॐ शान्ति।
Hello, one quick announcement I want to make.
Yes.
Yeah, my friend Professor Deshpande